Hey guys, are you a graduate of our Rider Academy class? Hey, guess what? You learned how to ride here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson, but this weekend is the Rider Academy workshop where we're going to bring you back from 11 to 2 to learn a little bit more about riding and what all is involved. So, just come on in with your MSF card that they gave you when you graduated, check in at the front counter up there, and they're going to get you signed up for the class. It's going to be from 11 to 2. We're going to get you some lunch, but we're going to take you around to all the different departments and show you all the things that you didn't learn about riding the gear and what's going on in the community. Hey, maybe you've just been thinking about coming to the Rider Academy class, but you haven't made the decision yet. Well, here's the good news is we have a Jumpstart. It's a trailer with a motorcycle on it that you can ride without going anywhere to give you the feel and the thrill of riding a bike, but it's safe and it's secure. So come on in, get with the guys. They'll take you out front and let you ride the bike and give you the courage that you need to sign up for the class. Hey, the Iron Guardians are back grilling this weekend. They are a great group supporting the youth here in Denton County. So make sure you come on out, get some food out front, tip them good. They're a great group, great heart. We can't wait to see them all weekend. Hey, Texas Flood is back this weekend, and they're going to be back every month this summer, so we're so excited to have them. Not only that, but you know what? We get the 2022 models here available to test ride. So come on in. We're going to see you from 11 to 3. They're going to be rocking the stage. Hey, are you going to Daytona this weekend? Because we have some VIP tickets for the King of the Baggers race. It's really badass because these big bikes do 140 miles an hour down the back stretch of the Daytona Speedway. Hey, not only that, but the Jackal concert is Saturday night, and if you wear one of your American Eagle Harley-Davidson t-shirts, they've got some special VIP experience tickets available for you. So make sure you come to the concert, wear your t-shirt. So either see us here or see us there. We're going to have a great time this weekend because riding season is back, baby. So we'll see you either way. See you soon, guys.